So I prepared the tractor for the weather tonight and tomorrow. We're supposed to get a foot of snow, maybe, I don't know. I got a chain right there, extra chain too. So I put the plow on. I made sure that was all set and greased. And I put chains on today. When you don't put the chains on enough, you don't know how to do it. I keep forgetting how to do it. It took me like an hour and a half to figure it out, but then I put that on right there. That would be my back plow. That thing actually works really cool. Look at it. Look at that baby. Why is it blue? It looks blue. Oh, see it? Huh. With that baby on today. I'll start it up, show you how it works. Just all right. Over here. I'm gonna start the tractor. We're gonna turn this on. Put that down. Over here, I'll show you how this works. I got it tilted. I'm going to change. I'll tighten them up tomorrow. This handle right here. Yeah. Goes way up. It goes down. It drops a little bit, so when you're using it, you got to feather it. When I'm driving it, I'm always using this handle here. Yeah. I think it's amazing. Like I said, the chains are all on. Everything's good. It's great. Tractor runs great. It always does. Gonna need to tune up in the springtime. But this is adjusting. Right here. Pull that pin out. Pull it out right there. Go back. There it goes. Put it right there. Just spin it. Yeah, drops in place. There. That's the tractor. It looks off PTO 3-point hitch. Everybody should have one of these. You got an 8-ad. It's got a bunch of holes in it. It's all rusted. Well, my problem today was working on all this. I went to the backhoe and I got a flat tire. So, we're working on that tomorrow. And the snow. Chains are amazing. I bought them for my friend for $100. Everybody has their chains. I'll show you sunset. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't look good, so good on camera. Bright orange. So, like my video, subscribe, share, comment. Hey, and have a nice day. Bye now.